Hello and welcome to this advanced Python tutorial. Today we'll be exploring decorators and metaclasses. Let's start with decorators. In Python, decorators are functions that can be used to modify the behavior of another function or method. They are a powerful tool in Python development. To create a decorator, we define a function that takes another function as an argument and returns a new function that will be used instead. Here is an example of a simple decorator that logs the fact that a function was called. Now, let's see how to apply this decorator to another function. To do so, we will use that symbol followed by the decorator function name right above the function we want to modify. Here's an example. Now let's move on to metaclasses. Metaclasses are the building blocks of classes, in the same way classes are the building blocks of instances. They allow you to customize the behavior of class creation and modification. The default metaclass in Python is type. To define a custom metaclass, you can create a new class that inherits from type. Let's create a simple example of a metaclass that logs the creation of any class that uses it. As you can see, using the logging metaclass as the metaclass for our myClass, we're notified when the class is created. This is just a simple example, but metaclasses can be used for more advanced scenarios such as enforcing coding standards or implementing design patterns. That's it for this advanced Python tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content on decorators, metaclasses, and other advanced Python topics.